Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to HunterTuned's cleaning service today. We are going to be cleaning my engine bay and maybe painting it. We'll see. But I got this thing soaking in oven cleaner right now. You know, the good old dollar store oven cleaner. And then I got a Scotch-Brite pad with just soapy dish soap and warm water. And I'm just going to go through and scrub this thing. Guys, so I'm cleaning the engine bay and I got it scrubbed down. I've been scrubbing on this thing for like an hour at least. But I mean, this thing is freaking, I could eat off of it. It's so clean. So that's awesome. This thing really came out very nice. It's nice and clean now. All the surfaces are nice and smooth. No grit or dirt anywhere. The oven cleaner helps kind of bring up any of that residual dirt, like I said. And then I sat here and scrubbed with dish soap and hot water with a Scotch-Brite pad, and I just scrubbed the shit out of it. And then I just got a wet rag now, and I just wiped it all down again, got all the soap off of it, and now I'm gonna hit it with the air hose, blow all the water off, and then I'm gonna go with another dry rag, and I'm gonna wipe it all down again. And then I'm probably going to mask everything off that I don't want paint to get on, and then hopefully get some paint on this thing. I do enjoy how clean the subframe is now. That thing was super full of crap, like just dirt and grime and oil and whatever. But that thing is looking fucking mint. Mint! Thanks for the orders on the stickers again, guys. It really helps my channel, and thank you everybody for all the support. I'm very thankful for how the YouTube channel is doing so far, and yeah, hopefully we keep growing, guys. I think I'm gonna just blow this thing off with the air gun and then wipe it down like I said, get masking, and then I'm going to run to Walmart and pick out a color. Underneath my breath, you're perfect with 270,000 miles.
So what are we doing right now, Hunter?
I don't know, we're just out hooning in the snow because it was 60 degrees 2 days ago and now we have a blizzard. Wisconsin for the win! Oh yeah, let her fucking bark! Mint! Fucking 2.3 in this Mazda has been so reliable. I don't know what to even say. I haven't changed the oil in 37,000 miles, people. It is still the OG oil. I'm just kidding. It burns like a quart a week, but I mean, sludge is good for an old motor because the sludge helps keep it together. You know what I mean? The rings are so worn out, the sludge is now the ring.
Yeah.
And the bearings are so wallowed out that it needs sludge to make up for the clearance issues. And it's got a good e-brake, baby. I don't know if this is dry enough or wet enough. Nope, definitely not.
Right here it goes.
There we go. That angle though.
Just smack it.
This video starring Hunter driving a Mazda and drifting into a parked car. We should probably turn that sharing off so we don't get demonetized.
Oh shit. Wait, we might just get the
I know. Right.
The speedo says we're doing 100
and 100. I don't know how this thing still has tires on it. Hooning into the curb. Oh, nope.
Are we looking both ways?
We gotta preload it. Gotta bump in. Alright, we're at the first beam. Ready? Second beam. Alright, here we go. First light, second light. Wow, dude, they did not prep this track at all. Holy fuck, dude, this thing just blew the tires off. Oh my god. I need some more VHT.
Horsepower?
Yeah. Jeez. That just shows you how slick this drag strip is right now in Mexico. Hey, did you guys know that Mexico got snow last night? Yeah, they did. Alright, here we go. We're gonna drift this corner. I'm turning on rear wheel drive. Whoa! Curb! Curb! I'm locking them up.
Oh, yeah.
Sliding, sliding, sliding. Still sliding. Into the curb. Ooh, there's some traction. We recording, son. Live streams have been lit lately. You guys got to check them out. We're out here trying to get paint at Walmart. We're about to go in and get kicked out because we almost got kicked out the last time we were in here because we trialed the spray paint. We tested it on a napkin right here. That's a hint of what we might be getting.
I'm not gonna bring that in.
No, you really shouldn't.
I put it right in my pocket.
Hey guys, so we got the car masked off here. Trying to get everything as best we can. Tinfoil works amazing for doing a masking job. Doesn't it, Michael?
Yep.
Works great. So now I'm about to hit it with that primer
Not yet.
in a minute. And we'll see how the primer turns out, eh? Mint! Jesse? Did you get the Sudafed? All right, guys, so I got a coat of primer on this thing, and the primer is looking really good. So I think we're gonna start throwing the color on. I already put the color on like the front crash bar here just to kind of see how it's gonna look. And I'm really digging it so far. So I'm gonna spray the rest of the engine bay, and hopefully she turns out. Okay guys, so we got the car all painted up finally, and we got, how many coats of clear did we put on?
Can and a half, and I probably hit both strut cylinders at least 4 to 5 times.
Yeah, probably like four coats of clear, I would say. And this is what we're looking like. This thing turned out amazing. Hopefully the camera does it justice, but in person this paint actually looks very nice. It's not too flashy. It's like the perfect amount of, you know, flashiness to dullness. Shininess to dullness.
It's actually weird when you put clear on. It went from like really reflective gold to what you see.
Yeah, it like
It was
almost
like-
dulled out
Like
with
if
the
you
clear
had a
coat.
gold brick in your hand and it was freshly polished is what it was. And
Yeah.
then clear made it look like this.
Clear made
This
it
is
duller.
better. It's
Like,
better.
yeah, it looks way better with clear, yeah. Because it was almost a little bit too reflective
Like I feel
before.
like the sun hit it, you need sunglasses.
When it were before.
Yeah.
But now it's fucking awesome. We only had one little mishap. We had a couple of runs down here, but whatever. YOLO. We're painting in like 30-degree weather. No, it's actually supposed to get down to 18 degrees tonight, so whatever. We got the old contractor, Mr. Heater over there, got her up to probably 45, 50 degrees in here, and paint job didn't turn out too bad. So yeah, I'm stoked. I'm hoping that my aluminum colored motor and trans and my billet mounts and everything are really going to pop in this engine bay. Now the question is, what color on the valve cover? I'm not sure, but I'm sure this guy will look great under the hood now.
I think whatever color you do the valve cover, you should get your turbo housing painted that same color.
Maybe.
That's what I'm doing.
But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smack that like button and subscribe, hit the bell. And yeah, I just totally stole that from Zosh.
What?
Smack that like button.
I thought that was Parker from Vehicle Virgins.
Whatever, they all fucking do it.
Smack that like button and I got a Lambo. Oh, smack that like button. I got a C63 AMG.
Right? Yeah, you guys should just hit the like button a bunch so I'll go buy a Lambo. I'm just kidding. I don't want a
Free
Lamborghini.
rides.
I don't want a Lambo. What?
Free rides if you get one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Free rides in my Lambo
Yeah, you guys
if
can
I ever
bring
even
us
buy
a
one.
Bartle skeet.
What?
You can bring us a Bartle skeet.
Yeah, yeah.
First subscriber here with the Bartle skeet gets to ride in the
I don't really have anything running right now.
Mazda.
The Mazda. The old fucking trooper. Anyways, see you later. We will see you tomorrow, guys. I don't know what the hell I'm doing tomorrow. Maybe there won't be a video. Maybe there will be. You'll just have to hit the bell and find out. See ya.